Okay, we have ice. Okay. Oh, we've got Ice Stadium NWD here. So we're going to go to the bar C viewpoint. Sorry. Here's the bar here, which is basically that. Okay. Select the Home tab, expand the Select and Search panel, and set the resolution option to geometry. Okay. So basically, here, this one here, make sure you select individual components or geometry. So that's, mine is already on geometry there, so that's good. Assigning existing materials to the scene. Alright, so we're moving down to, on page 432, point 1 is on the Home tab, in the Tools panel, click the Presenter, so make sure Presenter is on. So it's a Home tab, Tools, Presenter is here. So if I go here, there's Autodesk rendering that we used before, and here we've got the Presenter. Here's the Presenter. It looks like this, and it puts another tab for me down the bottom here. Alright, in the Presenter window, select the Materials tab. Alright, so there's a number of tabs up the top here. We're already in the Materials tab. In the left pane, expand recommended glass, and then select the window glass material and drag it onto the right pane. Okay, on the recommended, we've got to go to glass, and which one we're getting? Window glass. Okay, window glass, this one here, and just drag it over here to the right. Then we can use it. Alright. Alright, in the left pane, expand the standard nature, rocks, minerals, whatever, marble. So standard is here. Standard, we want to go to nature. Alright, then it's rocks and minerals here, and then it's marble. So in here there should be a marble here. Alright, and select the green vein marble, polished material, and drag it to the right pane. So if I expand this out, we go down, green, let's make this a bit bigger. Okay, green vein, marble, polished. Alright, that's the one. Drag it to the right. There it is. Okay. In the right pane, drag the window glass material onto the large window pane on the right side of the view. Alright, over here. Alright. And then drag it onto the windows at the rear. So basically, this works a little bit differently to the one before. Before we had to select the stuff and assign it to the material, by right clicking on the material. This one here, we just drop the material right onto the glass itself. So, where's the glass? This one here. So I can just drag it straight on there, and that becomes glass, and back here as well. Perfect. It's got a bit of a tint to it. Alright, so that's done. Alright, select one of the tabletops, alright, in the right pane, right click the green vein polished material and click apply to all instances in the selection. So what we have to do is, now be careful with these little feet because they're always there for some reason. So just click select, then go and click here. Click one of those, then go down to the presenter and right click this, alright, and apply to all instances of the selection. So it's a bit like that other thing that we used before, select same. Well, so this one here, you can just go straight from the presenter. So there you go. So now even the outside ones have become marble. All right. All right. So.
It's a windy day, actually,
Hey?
It's a windy day.
Is it a windy day? You reckon? How can you tell?
Screen's
Hey? It's a good day.
the screen's way around.
Main screen's moving as well.
Is it? Oh, that screen's moving. Oh, the projector screen, yes. It's the air conditioning, I think. Yeah, well, that doesn't help you being able to see the board. All right, so click render. All right, where are we now? We lost the train of thought. Select one of we've done that. All right, click render to render the image. The window and the glass are reflective, and the window is also transparent. However, the marble color of the tables is too dark, so we'll have to do something about that. Okay, so click render to render the image. All right, let's go click render. Oh, it's renderings here. That's something else. If we go to render, that's not it. I think we, hang on. Processing. All right. Just have to get rid of this thing. Go away. Close it. Hang on. Here's my center. I'll click the wrong render. I thought I'd done the wrong one. It's this one down here. You have to scroll down. This is the render you got to click. Sorry, I thought I was doing the wrong thing. So let's go render here, and this gives you a little. See how it does it? So it's a little faster. See all the reflections are happening. I don't know if you can see it on that other screen. Some reflections are showing. Alright, so that's basically done. Alright, but those are too dark, it says, so you can go through and edit the material. So the next bits are not that bad to run through. They're a little bit laborious in the way that, but anyway, we'll just do maybe the first bit and we'll leave it there maybe. Let's go to up here for a minute. We'll use up our 14 minutes and alright, so basically what it's asking you to do next is edit the marble to a lighter green. So in here we're going to go to open the editor by double clicking on this one here. Right, and we're going to make some changes. In the material editor dialog box, select the ground color field. In the color dialog box, click define custom colors. Alright, now the color field, you've got to be careful, and the scale, you've got to be careful. Where are we? Ground color is on here. We're going to go define custom colors. Alright, and in here we're going to put in the loom there, we're going to put in 95. Red is going to be 74. This is just numbers they're giving you. 128 for the green, 128, and the blue is going to be 102. Alright, beautiful. And we'll go OK. In the material editor, click OK, which you did. Click render to render the image again. Okay, let's go render again. This time we'll go down here. Render. Oh, I didn't do OK. I thought I did OK. Anyway, hang on, just wait a minute. I thought I pressed OK, didn't. Oh, here we go. Try again. Let me just. This thing is highlighted. Presenter, render. Let's see. Okay, so they should be a bit lighter now, which they are. Alright, good. So basically that's that. You can save the material as a custom material. I think I didn't do that. Not sure if I've done that. In the right pane, you can right click the material, so you can just change it basically from here. Oh, where am I in? Not sure what it's doing. It's conked out on us. Presenter's not coming up, but basically you have to do is right click on the on that material and just rename it. basically that's it. It's just mucking around with those materials next, and putting a reflection on it and all that sort of stuff for the rest of the exercise of number 1. And exercise number 2, add and edit an individual light effect. So that's adding lights. So that's interesting as well. Exercise 3 is create a light scattering effect. 4 is adding an image-based light effect. That's not a bad little exercise. 4 and 5 is just dealing with a small sort of building. Yeah, so have a go at the rest of those, but at least this one that we just did then, and I think it's good grounding into rendering and presenter. I'll leave it at that for now.